Hey there, welcome to another quick tip episode. So today I want to chat with you about how to come up with board ideas which are data driven and also boards that your audience is actually looking for and interested in. Now keep in mind, if you just started your account yesterday, this tip isn't going to be very useful for you because it does require you to have some level of data and analytics available in your account for you to proceed with it. So this tip is all about leveraging the data that we already have about our audience into creating more boards so that we can give our audience more opportunities to interact with our content, to get more traffic and to get more sales with our Pinterest account. So in order for this strategy to work, all you need to do is to head into your analytics account, and that is where you're going to go into your audience insights. Now, this is data about who your audience is, where they're based, and what are the top categories and interests that they're interested in. So I want you to have a look at the categories and interests tab, and you're going to come up with the top 3 to 5 categories that your audience is interested in. And when you click through to those categories, you're going to get a subsection of other interests that these particular audiences have. So for example, if you click through to finance, you can see different things like banking, budgeting, etc. And you can also see data on affinity as well as percentage of category audience. So affinity means how likely is this certain audience interested in this topic. So what is the number of people, let's say out of 100, that are interested in that particular topic? The more the number of people that are interested in that particular topic or interest, the more that affinity is going to be like. And percentage of category audience simply means what percentage of this particular category is interested in XYZ topic. So what you want to do here is you want to take note of different interests which are subsections within your categories which have a high affinity as well as a high percentage of category audience, and you want to note down these topics as potential board ideas. The reason why this strategy works so well, specifically when you have a little bit of an audience on Pinterest, is because you leverage the data that you already have in your account to create further points for engagement as well as further points for content for your existing audience to interact with. When done right, this can help you stand out on Pinterest as well as reach your target audience much better with very little effort. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to leverage Pinterest as a marketing tool for your business, make sure to check out my free masterclass, which is linked in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.